Dave from Brothers Truck Parts is back this episode to install their 3-point seatbelt in this 69 C10. Brothers Seatbelt Kits offers a variety of colors and sizes to meet the needs of any project. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware to complete the installation.
You know, Dave, C10s are very popular, been popular for a long time coming now. But what's gotten more popular every day is engine swaps on these old trucks, right?
Oh yeah.
So you got 350 plus horsepower in here. And as you guys can see, we've got a brake upgrade, we've got suspension going on here.
Right.
But a lot of things people forget is the safety inside the cab. You've got all this power and brakes and suspension, but you got the same old lap belts.
Right. So it's only holding on your lap, you slam into another car, you slam on your brakes, and you're gonna go forward right into your steering wheel.
Absolutely. So we're going to do what by redeeming that safety issue?
We're going to go from a 2-point to a 3-point, and the 3rd point is going to be above our shoulder. That's going to give us a strap across our chest, and we won't go careening into anything.
And that'll finish modernizing the vehicle. We got brake, suspension, and powertrain. We got to have safety to go along with it.
So this is what comes with your kit, your left and right seat belt. You have a left and right bracket that looks slightly different. I'll show you why in just a bit. And you have all these nuts and bolts that are going to be installing it. Now, it does not come with a bolt that is going to be here or the bolt that is
We want to
here.
reuse the factory ones.
Yeah, so if you don't have them, somebody took them out, didn't come with them, you'll need to get those. Well, the first thing that I want to point out is this little plug right here. The factory installed these and then put in this little plug, but gave you 2-point seat belts for whatever reason. So I like to use a little plastic spatula to take this out of there, because if you get the metal one on there, you're going to scratch it up. Now the reason our two brackets here look different is because one is for the left side, one is for the right side. This one for the right side, or the passenger side, is nice and simple. It is just going to simply bolt in there using this original bolt right here. Now I want you to notice the difference between these two bolts. This one here has a bit of a shank on it. You can see the threads do not go all the way down. They are for the connection in the middle right here. These that have thread all the way down will be for the end over here. Now don't go ahead and bolt it in just yet, because we're going to do a little bit of assembly before we do. Now let's see why this looks different on the left side. This guy, if you had a gas tank, you would not be able to install it like you did the left side, because the gas tank comes down so far. So this notch right here is to make room for the gas tank. And to install it properly, just put it down like this. Now you'll see that right here, I'm landing on my sill plate, so we know that is wrong. We take it like this, bolt it on like that. It's nice and clear. It's sitting up nice and straight. We know that's the correct way to do it. With my bracket assembled to my seat belt, now I can go ahead and install into the cab. So you have to watch out for any wires. There's typically a fuel gauge wire that runs through here, and you'll have to make sure you don't smash it underneath your bracket.
That is nice, Dave. I'm already feeling a little bit safer.
Definitely.
Even if you're not doing an engine swap, you're not doing any kind of a performance upgrade, I think these are an absolute must because of safety.
Yeah, this is the first thing I would do before I did anything else. Don't paint your truck, don't put wheels on it, get it safe.
Absolutely. Now, Tommy has a baby seat. He had his daughter in the car when he pulled up. You guys have the option for the center lap belt. Let's say you guys have a baby seat in the bench, you would use it. But if you had bucket seats,
you would need it, so that's why it doesn't come with a kit. Right.
Well, this is a very nice kit.